Hi everybody, so today I wanted to show you a cool video of how we saved our drone from 3 dogs. Yes, 3 dogs almost ate our drone in this exact location right here. We were driving and we saw this beautiful landscape that you see behind me, so we decided to fly a drone. And the second we started the drone and wanted to lift it up, 3 dogs jumped on it and started biting it, and it was a crazy fun experience. But thanks to this Insta360 1X camera that acts as a protection stick, I hit one of the dogs, we picked up the camera and we ran to the car. It was crazy, it was fun, it was scary, but at the end of the day we saved the drone. We had a crazy experience and we went to a different location and still took this beautiful video. But I hope you enjoy the dogs eating our drone.
Whoa! Fuck. That's why they're here, man. Блядь, вы же больше фокусаты и нас, нахуй. Be calm, hold it. No, be calm, hold it. Shut up. Hey! Good, soft. Блядь, soft. Shut it up. Press and hold it, Rush. No. Press and hold it. Good. Pour in the bag. Да ты... Блядь, doesn't shut off, сука. Press and hold it, man. Yo, we need some cookies, блядь. Дай им cookies, нахуй. Go get some cookies. Fuck, the dog grabbed the fucking... Yeah? It's fine, I recorded it too. And he had the cookies. Yo, with the camera too, no plastic on it. Fuck. That's the wrong shit with the plastic on it. Бля, добре, що мене не покусали нас, нахуй. Fucking guy just grabbed it. Oh, he put a fucking dent in this shit. With his tooth. You bit that bitch.
Where?
Huh? You bit that bitch.
Where?
Oh. Fuck, you see a dent?
Oh, fuck.
And then they eat that when you? No. A little one put on, bro, but it's probably fucked now. You kidding me, man?
No.
All the shit's sensitive, man.
No, it's okay. This shit flies into trees and it's okay.
Bit it, man, look.
It's a story to tell, though, fuck.
You have to pull this thing out now, man. Fuck.
See, we see
it up and shit.
Can't make it off the ground, man.
Why'd you just lift it up? I told you, just lift
Bro,
it up.
they're gonna fucking jump and bite the shit out of me. What do you mean? I wasn't thinking. I'm like, ah!
Guys, as soon as we
Bro, my life flashed before my eyes, man. I thought we were get bit by rabid dogs here in the fucking desert.
But then, especially because we just started, and I was like, and because all your dogs, I'm like, fuck.
Man.
And actually, press things start to go up and start flying. Things like trying to fucking grab it. I was like, what the fuck? I sure just flew out.
Yeah.
I sure just flew out.
Fuck, it's...
No,
Yeah.
you would jump, man.
We jump where?
You would jump to the drone and grab it.
No, but that's what I should just flew out, like high.
No, because he jumped right on it when it
Yeah, and then I did fly accidentally, like on the side, and that's each other. But I should just went up.